Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will learn what is online searching is all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new in my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is online searching? Online searching refers to the process of using electronic resources to acquire, retrieve, and analyze information using technology. It involves selecting relevant databases, choosing appropriate search criteria, and accessing information through host systems efficiently. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is online searching is all about. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.